So I finally got my hands on the 200-mile range e-bike, the ANIOKI 8 Pro Max, and yeah, I had to see if that claim is actually real or just marketing hype. First impression? This thing is massive. It doesn't feel like a normal e-bike. It feels closer to a small electric motorcycle. The frame is chunky, the seat is huge, and that battery, it's basically a power station bolted onto a bike. On paper, you're looking at a 52V, 60Ah battery, and a dual motor setup pushing serious power. And honestly, the acceleration surprised me more than I expected. It's quick, it's heavy, and it feels planted on the road. Now about that 200 miles range claim, let's be real. You're not getting that unless you're riding super conservatively in ideal conditions. In real-world riding, throttle-heavy use brings it way down, but it's still impressive compared to most e-bikes I've tested. Comfort-wise, it's actually solid. Suspension handles rough roads well, and it's stable at higher speeds. So is it worth the money? If you want a lightweight commuter, no. But if you want a long-range motorcycle-style e-bike with serious power, this one definitely makes a strong case.